special, something new. Move fire. If you want ride, I'll be Okada. I'm on a me, biddy dibby dun dun dada. General bad like Montana.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do these elegant curls and also how I got this color, because at the tips of the hair it's a pink color. This hair is provided by Nadula Hair. This is 3 bundles and a frontal of their Brazilian body wave hair. I am going to have it linked down below and the links, because I don't know the links off the top of my head, but it's going to be linked down below. I did create this unit. I made it all by myself. And if you guys would like to get one made, my email will be in the description box. So go down there and email me and we could talk about your wigs. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm starting off using this Bio Silk. I do recommend using the regular Bio Silk. It's in like a frosted type of bottle. It's $19. This specific one is like $22. And this is for people with like thin hair. So yeah. Right here, I'm just parting out my metal part on the mannequin head because I noticed when I have it on my head, it doesn't really get too straight. So I kind of guide myself on the mannequin head to have it as straight as possible before I put it on my own head. So then here I'm going in and I'm kind of tweezing out some of the part just so I can have an idea of where the part should be. And this is really convenient because it just makes sure that my part isn't looking too skinny or like too fat. Like it just makes me see what I'm doing. So right here, I'm just brushing that hair back. Keep in mind, I did pluck this hair off camera. I didn't pluck it too much. I just plucked it like a natural way to pluck. That's one of my most viewed videos on my channel is my plucking videos. So I am going to link that in my description box as well. I'm going in with my hot comb. This hot comb I got from Amazon. I will have it linked down below. It's always down below in my description box. At the bottom of my description box, you're going to be able to find this comb. So I'm just hot combing the hair how I want it to lay, and I want it to be nice and flat. So go ahead and flatten that out. You want to flatten some of the frontal hair over the tracks in the back just to disguise any tracks, anything. So that's all I'm doing right here. You can see. And then we just flatten that out real nice, and then I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so when you're done hot combing the front of the hair, we're just going to go ahead and section our hair into 2 parts. Normally I section it like going up, but the 2 parts is perfectly fine. And then you just part and you're going to curl your hair going up. So basically, I didn't really get to show you guys because my freaking elbow is in the way, but I curl my hair upside down. I'm also going to link a dedicated video on how I curl my hair in the description box, but it's basically the same exact thing. I just wanted to show you guys me curling this hair, and I really failed at the angles, so my hand is all in the way. But you guys can see how I pin it so it could stay. I always wanted to learn how to pin like this. And this is basically the end result when I do it all over. Keep in mind, when you're on the opposite side, you're going to curl the hair the opposite way. So if you're curling left, on the opposite side, you're going to curl right. So everything is going to fall gracefully. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and use my hairspray. I'm just using the Got2b Freeze Blast Spray for this purpose. Don't spray too much because you don't want the hair to get stiff. You just want the curls to stay how you put them. So I'm just spraying a little bit, and then you guys can see me playing with that. And this is basically it. Like, it's really super easy. The only thing that's time consuming is the curling. You guys, so I just wanted to add this part in really quickly. I'm using 40 volume developer and my quick blue bleach. I'm going to use that to color the tips of this wig just so I can have it a little bit different, because if you just want to spice up your wig, literally just color the tips and put some color at the ends. You can see right here me pouring the color onto the ends of the hair, and that's basically it. That's all I did to get those neon tips. Keep in mind, I did use not a neon color at all. It's like a pastel-y color. Alright you guys, so this video is coming to an end. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.
I need that something, and I know you got it. I want to unlock that special something new. Move fire. If you want ride, I'll be Okada. I'm on a me, biddy dibby dun dun dada. General bad like Montana.